Hello friends. Let's have fun counting to 100 by tens. Would you like to count with me? Great. I love it when you are excited to learn. I can't wait to get started. Let's begin. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You were amazing. Thank you for counting with me.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I had lots of fun too. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning for more fun videos like this one. Until next time, keep learning and being great.